Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks much on continuously watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. So in our new series on marketing, today we talk about technology focus. So how the technology plays a vital role in today's circumstances, the trouble times which we are facing. How the company can make use of technology and take advantage of technology to reach target consumers and make them recall the product, and finally it leads to sales. Normally this scenario happens actually in the physical environment where the company use these methods, but today because of technology is available and most of the consumers are accessible to internet, so technology can be put in better use to reach target consumers, make them recall, and create the interest towards buying product or services which companies are selling. That leads to sales. That's what I thought. Any focus of any company which should lead to three things. One is reach, recall, and sales. So they need to reach the target consumers, and the consumers have to recall the particular products, services, or brands when they're buying a product or services, and that should lead to a sales. So that is where the company can achieve the sales, the revenues, the profits, and growth. So today, when you look at the technology aspects today, technology is available, accessible to most of the consumers all over the world, and people are using smartphones. So what kind of a category of consumers, whether you are high income or a middle income, even low income consumers, are accessible to smartphones and the internet, which is very good news. So how a company can take advantage of this situation, especially to tackle the challenges of today's scenario, the troubled times. See, when we look at most of the consumers are using smartphones and they are accessible to the apps, mobile applications. So mobile applications is one of the very easy way for companies to reach the target consumers. Either it depends on the company's ability, whether the company can develop their own app to reach target consumers, or they can join the third-party app uh, to give promotion, or even they can get into that kind of the mode of selling the products. So then third-party apps are available. The promotion apps are available, the price aggregator apps are available, where the company can join. And nowadays, if you see, even the delivery apps are available, so the company also can join these delivery apps. It's not delivery apps is not only available for the instant food, it can also be available for the dry products, wet products. So the company can join with that delivery apps. uh, the delivery apps also acting as the selling apps, so the company can be a part of it. So it is also possible for even this micro, small, and medium establishments also can join these third-party apps. Either it is a promotion app or a delivery apps or a selling apps to interact with the consumers. Even nowadays, I see even the laundries also they are using these apps. They have their own apps, or they can join with the third-party apps. Even they for a laundry. So this is not actually restricted to a certain type of companies. So this technology is available for any type of companies, whether it is a pharmacy. Because I remember when I was buying something online, I ordered some product. So it came through a pharmacy, and some products come from a grocery stores. Some product come from the seller itself. So nowadays, it is possible, like the apps made it possible, where the multiple parties can join, and they can make use of this technology to reach their target consumers. And also, by using technology and knowing the buying behavior of consumers in these troubled times, so the company can also promote the specific products and services which consumers are nowadays using. So mostly the masks, the sanitizer, or the health drinks, or the vitamin aspects, so which also very important. And moreover, you see nowadays consumers looking for online kind of an option, so they want to restrict their external presence. So in this scenario, it is a great opportunity for all the companies, small, medium, and micro establishments to just make use of technology and reach the target consumers, be it a laundry or be it pharmacies, small time grocery stores, anything actually, anything. Any kind of a companies can make use of technology and they can reach target consumers, they can deliver the products, they can market the products. So all these are possible today because it is a technology is at peak now, and now because of the scenario, most of the consumers they started using technology, they started using online options, they started using applications. So though because it is the great time for using technology. As I reiterate, technology is not limited for large scale companies, it is available for everyone. It is pervasive, it is ubiquitous, it's for everyone, like from micro to very large scale companies. So the company needs to make use of it, and this is the time they can focus on reaching the target consumers, make them recall the products, and lead to sales. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with your network. Please subscribe to my channel for instant alert, and please share with your colleagues, your employees, your students, and whoever those who want to use for the business and betterment of their livelihood and job. So once again, thank you very much for your support.